Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So your disk is reach 100% and how to fix, and after that your system is working very slow. So click to start and then type cmd. After that right click to run as administrator. Then use command chkdsk space c column space slash scan. Okay, and then hit enter. Now it is started, might be. And if you are getting any issue in this process, okay, so you can use this command chkdsk space c column space, sorry, space slash f, and then hit enter. Then again, then type yes. Okay, so this command will be run when you restart your system. After that it will take some time, might be 10 to 15 minutes. It will fully scan your system, your C drive, and then it will start it within 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, then next, then type this command. Okay, I show you. And this all command I will give in description, so you can copy and paste it. Okay, then next, when it is completed it will start the percentage. So when it is 100% it completed, then try to second one. So second command is, then type sfc space slash scan now. Same thing here, it will start the percentage, take some time, then it will complete it 100%, then restart your system, and after that you can check your system. Okay, thank you.